I'll be honest, I ain't no coffee snob, but there's nothing I love more than a good cup of joe to start off my day. And no, I don't eat breakfast. Just some dirty bean water is all I need. However, fast-paced life, being a designer who's in a love-hate relationship with deadlines, I'm guilty of being attached to instant coffees. Even with the pandemic and the work-from-home situation, life is still fast. But since I don't have to spend hours traveling to work every day, I find myself having some change of time. So I said to myself, no more instant, no more ordering out, no more 7-Eleven bullshit. Time to treat myself better. Ish. I've tried many brewing styles before, from Chemex, French press, pour over, cold brew to mocha pot, you name it. All to satisfy the pretentious hipster inside of me. But at the end of the day, nothing compares to the good old PHIN. A real basic, yet classy way to get in touch with my inner Viet. Back to my roots, you know? This is my PHIN. Old, beat up, or how I would normally refer to it as seasoned. I like to think that the souls of past brews all gather within the walls of this cylindrical contraption, making each new one better and better. Like that 40-year-old beef soup that never stops boiling in Bangkok, Thailand. PHIN gives me the pleasure of slowing down, enjoying the moment, indulging in the little intricacies of something that's become normal in our crazy and hectic daily lives. Something we took for granted. It makes me realize that I'm just making excuses for being lazy by saying that there's not enough time in that God-given 24 hours. I want to grind my own coffee. Maybe I will, someday. But for now, this is the coffee of my choice. A local brand I recently found that suits my taste bud. This here's my water kettle. I do want one of those fancy kettles with the long spouts that coffee shops use for their pour over. Or if I feel a little bit frisky, these might be interesting. But as a human being, I like to procrastinate, and that'll be for another day. Rinse the PHIN and the glass with hot water. Discard said water. 3 tablespoons in. Press hard. Make sure everything is nicely packed. 25 ml of hot, but not boiling, water. Bloom that grind beautifully. Watch as it comes to life. 45 seconds. PHIN on glass. Slowly add in the hot water till just about there. Cover with the lid. Now I like my coffee how I like my woman. Strong, thick, and drippy? Ah yes. Watch that drip. That is all the swagger I need in life. Usually this is when I sit back and think about life. Past, present, and sometimes dinner. I reminisce about the time I was in the States, the coffee shops I visited, the people I met, the memories I created, the countless corgi butts that I received on my lattes. The last drop snaps me back to reality. I guess that's enough nostalgia for today. Now because this is one of those ASMR videos, I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit and let you take in the experience. Just a few finishing touches, and there we go. I'm trying to get into that habit of reading a bit before I sit down for work for the rest of the day. Never mind. Let's just get to work.